Hey guys, Matthew here. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the features that SoftChalk Create has to offer. In the first video on this channel, we saw how to get our account set up and how to import a Word document into SoftChalk and create an online lesson. Today, we will be editing that lesson to make it a more engaging learning experience for the student. We will do this by inserting hyperlinks and embedding videos, inserting iFrames, and by adding quizzes throughout the lesson to provide self-check opportunities. Let's go ahead and get started.
Let's start off by inserting some hyperlinks. In this section of the lesson, there are 3 psychologists mentioned. If I was to expand fully on each of their contributions, this section of the lesson would be much longer and much more text-heavy. To insert a hyperlink, simply find the web page you would like the link to redirect to, copy the URL for the website. In the lesson, highlight the text you would like to link. Click on this icon, and then paste the URL for the web page. You can always preview how the lesson will be displayed and check your hyperlinks by clicking here. Embedding a video means that the video player will be displayed on the screen with the lesson itself. To do this, you must insert what's called a widget. In this lesson, I will add a video that demonstrates how the concepts of conditioning are implemented in real life. First, find the video you would like to embed and copy the HTML code. Look for icons that look like these. This one is for sharing options, and this one stands for HTML code. Position your cursor on the page where you would like the video to be inserted. Click on Insert, and then Widget. Name and describe the video, and insert your HTML code. Again, you can preview what the lesson will look like by clicking here. An iFrame is an embedded dialog box that displays either an external web page or a PDF document. This is what an iFrame displaying an external web page looks like. And this is what an iFrame displaying a PDF document looks like. To insert an iFrame, place your cursor where you would like the iFrame to be displayed in the lesson. Click on Insert, then iFrame. If you are inserting a web page, insert the URL for the web page here. If you are inserting a PDF file, search your hard drive for the file by clicking here. The default size of the iFrame dialog box is fairly small. The ones you saw a few moments ago in my lesson had dimensions of 900 by 600. There are 2 options for inserting a quiz into your lesson. You can insert a quiz popper or a quiz group. A quiz popper allows you to select from a variety of question types. Let's look at creating a multiple choice quiz popper. The first tab you have is for the question. Next, you will insert the answer choices and select the correct answer. If you would like to provide feedback, you have the option to do so here. The last thing you will do is choose how you want the quiz to display in the lesson. It can pop up from an icon, pop up from clickable text, or it can be embedded in the lesson. When inserting a quiz group, the tabs are a bit different. First, you will name your quiz and provide instructions if you wish to do so. click on Add Question in the Questions tab and select what type of question you would like to add. Decide how you would like to display the quiz in the lesson, and you are all set. To edit any of the elements we talked about inserting into a lesson in this video, right-click on the placeholder for the element that was inserted and select Modify. I hope that you've enjoyed this episode on the SoftChalk tutorial channel, and I hope you know something now that you didn't know 5 minutes ago. Until next time, I'm Matthew. I'll see you later.